Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use Cosmic Ghost Rider. He is a powerful cosmic champion known for his unique judgment system. He boasts immunity to both bleed and incinerate effects, making him resilient in many matchups. His core gameplay involves triggering various buffs, which in turn place judgments on his opponent. Once 5 judgments are active, the opponent is power-locked for 6 seconds, and all judgments convert into potent armor breaks, significantly boosting your damage output. Cosmic Ghost Rider's abilities synergize to create massive damage. His heavy attacks provide an aptitude buff, enhancing the potency of his other buffs by 50% for 8 seconds. Activating any special attack grants a cruelty buff, boosting his critical damage rating by over 700 for 15 seconds. His special one makes him unblockable for 1 second and applies an incinerate, dealing energy damage. The special 2 grants precision and inflicts a significant armor break, reducing armor rating by over 1,500 for 15 seconds. To maximize Cosmic Ghost Rider's potential, focus on specific rotations. Begin by building to your special 3 using medium-ending combos and dexterity. After launching your special 3, immediately follow with a 5-hit combo ending in a light attack to gain power during the lockdown phase. This lockdown period is crucial, as you can safely use dexterity without affecting your judgment cycle. Once judgments reset, charge a heavy attack and cancel into your special 2 for immense burst damage, especially in shorter fights. Cosmic Ghost Rider shines in various scenarios. He is particularly effective in longer fights, where his ability to stack judgments and convert them into powerful armor breaks allows for sustained, high damage. His immunities to bleed and incinerate make him a strong counter to many common threats. When facing villain champions, he gains an indefinite armor break at the fight start, reducing their armor rating by 700. Furthermore, his power lock and heal block utility, especially when awakened, provide crucial control in difficult content like Abyss of Legends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.